Hi everyone, today I am going to show you how to get Microsoft Office, which include popular programs like Word, Excel and PowerPoint entirely for free. It won't cost you anything. We are going to use browser, so whether you are using Windows, Mac, Linux, Chrome OS, whatever operating system you use, you'll be able to take advantage of this. So since we are going to use our browser, let's launch our browser. You can use any browser of your choice and this can work for you. Okay, so now I'm going to open my Google Chrome. After opening the Google Chrome, I will look for office.com in my URL bar. So office.com. So after opening the office.com, this is what I'm going to see. So as you can see, where my mouse is moving, we have what you call get Microsoft 365 and then sign in. So when you click on get Microsoft 365, you are going to download the Office software and it will give you 1 month free. 1 month free trial. After 1 month, you are going to pay for it. But then, in our case, we are going to use it for free, so we have to click on sign in. Okay, so after clicking on sign in, this is what you are going to see. You have to enter your Microsoft account to be able to use the Office packages or programs for free. Okay, so if you don't have any Microsoft account, you can quickly click here to create one. So I'm going to enter my Outlook account. Okay, I'll click on next, then enter my password. Okay, so I say yes to get me signed in. Okay, so after signing in, you see this. Okay, now you can see that we have document, presentation, workbook, form, quiz, list, design, video. Okay, so if you want to create any or use any of these packages, you can do so for free. Now you can see that I have Word here. If I want to use the Word for my letter or anything, I'll just click this and it will open a new tab for me, which will allow me to use it absolutely for free, and I don't need to pay anything for this. Okay, so this is how to actually use Microsoft Office for free without paying anything. Thank you for watching, and if you have any comment, put it in the comment section for me. Thank you.